Hi, I'm Stasha Harris, owner of Magic Finger Studio 1 and 2. They're both located in Brooklyn, New York, and my Instagram handle is Magic Finger Studio. Bomb Twist is the newest protective style, and Outre X-Pression's Twisted Up has the perfect product for you. It's great for at-home users and our professional stylists. It's versatile, customizable, lightweight, and it's made with 100% Kanekalon. Twisted Up Spring Twist is 100% Kanekalon. It's bouncy, it has a natural sheen, it's very customizable. It don't tangle and it definitely won't hurt your fingers. So the Springy Afro Twist is the same as the Spring Twist. The difference is that it's pre-fluffed, pre-sectioned, and pre-separated. So here we have Twisted Up crochet hair. So if you don't like sitting in the salon chair for a long period of time, or even sitting at home trying to do your hair for a long period of time, Twisted Up Bomb Twist is hair. It comes in two styles, straight or wavy. It's a time saver. You can save up to 2 to 3 hours on installation. I'm about to create a bomb twist using Twisted Up Spring Twist. So I'm just gonna separate it. And to start off, I'm gonna create the base of a box braid. So you can do about 6 to 8 maneuvers before you start twisting. So to start your twist, you wanna divide the 3 section into 2 sections. And what you wanna do is use the hand over hand method to twist. So you can comb the ends of the hair out with your fingers and apply a little product for a nice finished look, just to give the ends a little curl. So this is what it looks like. You see, you can see how natural here, it's blended in nicely. So this is a customizable spring twist. I'm gonna use the same hair as I used for this to create a different look. Okay, so I'm gonna use her hair as the 3rd strand. I'm not gonna pre-feather or anything. So you want to create the base of a box braid, then you're going to divide the section of her hair into 2, and you want to start your twist. You're going to twist very lightly, hand over hand. You just fasten it from one finger from left to right. So you would use this technique if you want like a more springy look. With the ends, we have a few different options. So you can leave the curl at the ends, or you can separate the ends. Just comb it out, the tips with your finger. You can apply a little product and continue to twist. So the same hair was created for these 2 different looks. Okay, so here we have the Twisted Up Bomb Twist straight version, and we also have a little messier version. Like, not everyone like the hair nice and neat. Some people like it when it's more, a little messy, it looks a little more natural. Okay, I'm about to create a slightly different version of the bomb twist. So I'm gonna be using her hair as a 3rd section as well this time. However, when I split the hair, I'm not gonna split it evenly. So I'm gonna have more hair in one of the sections. I'm going to be twisting and then pulling upwards towards the root, twisting, giving it a little pull. And now I'm going to create a twist that's a little tighter, so it might look closer to Senegalese twist. So this twist, I'm going to separate one side of the hair. I'm going to create the base of the box braid again. So like I said, you want to do about 6 to 8 maneuvers so you can make sure the box braid is nice and secure and it's not going to slip out. And you're going to twist them, but we're creating a tighter twist. So this here is very, very versatile. You can create so many different looks. Okay, so here we have 4 different looks using the same hair. I'm about to create another bump twist. However, I'll be using Springy Afro Twist. This one is pre-sectioned, it's pre-stretched. Okay, so it's gonna save me a lot of time without having to pull the hair apart. So you just start braiding. You're gonna create the base of your box braid and you start twisting.